Another morning, another model from another Chinese company. This time, ByteDance has produced USO through which you can apply any style to any image. Look at this. Here, I have provisioned it my own image and then a style in enemy and a text prompt that a man or woman, I just on purpose put it as a woman just to see how it performs, but you can see still it was able to produce quite a good image. There's a podium and this is sort of an impassioned speech. Let me tell you a bit more about it, and we are going to install this model locally on our system and then we will try it out. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and also consider becoming a member as that helps a lot. So what exactly is this model and what is different in this? This model USO or Unified Style Subject Optimized is a new AI framework that brings together two traditionally separate image generation tasks. Style driven generation, where you make images look like a certain artistic style, and subject driven generation, where you try to preserve the identity of a specific person or objects across different images. So instead of treating these independent problems, USO unifies them by focusing on disentanglement, the idea of cleanly separating an image's content like a person's face from its style. I will be talking more about its architecture, but for now, let's get started. I am going to use this Ubuntu system and I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're also looking to rent a GPU on very good prices, you can find the link to Mast Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. Okay, let me go back and create a virtual environment with Conda. And next up, let's git clone the repo of USO and I will drop the link to it in video's description. And now let's install all the requirements from the root of the repo. And while that installs it, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Agent, that's world's first multi-agent workforce desktop application, empowering you to build, manage, and deploy a custom AI workforce that can turn your most complex workflows into automated tasks. And meanwhile, everything is installed. Next, all you need to do is to launch this Gradio demo from the root of the repo. And the first time when you run this, it downloads all the models. So let's wait. And yes, it is based on Flux 1 dev model. As you can see, it also downloads it. And now it is running on our local host at port 7860. Let me access it in the browser. And USO is now running on our local system. Okay, now let me select some images from my local system and then we will play around with it. So first up, I'm just giving it the text prompt that wool felt style, a clock in the jungle, and then a reference image of the clock. And I'm just keeping rest of the two vacant. Let me click on generate here. And while it generates it, let me also check the VRAM consumption. So it consumes close to 37 gig of VRAM. Okay, that is fine. Let's go back to check what is happening. And there you go, a juggle texture and a wool felt like. And if you look at the fabric or texture behind the clock, it looks so real. It is really wool felt style. Really good stuff. In the next example, I'm just asking it with this image that the girl is riding a slingshot swing, and there you go, there's a slingshot swing and she is riding it. The face, I think it's not that good, but if you look at the hair and overall thing, it is not that bad. Okay, let's try out few more now with the style. And next up, I don't think so this one is good, but I just said that girl standing on mountain. I have given this cat image which was standing on mountain. There is a mountain in the backdrop. I mean, it has followed the prompt right, but and it has tried to give the girl a bit of an enemy look instead of the real look. Okay, that is interesting. And now in the next one, I have just given it a text prompt, a rising sun, no reference image. Let's see if it can create that or not. And this is simply wow. I think this was perfect. Looks like so real. I mean, I thought maybe it has taken some sort of picture from somewhere, but this looks amazingly beautiful. I think the best. And it is primarily Flux One Dev, right? We all know that. Okay, so let's try out one more. Now in the next one, I have given it this reference image, another extra style reference image without any text prompt. Let's see how it goes. While it generates that, let's talk a bit more quickly about its architecture. What makes this slightly bit different is in its use of a reward learning system behind the scene, which is called as SRL, or Style Reward Learning, which helps the model learn what good stylization looks like by providing feedback during training. It also introduces a co-disentanglement strategy where it improves the style generation that helps the model better preserve subjects and vice versa. They have also released USO Bench, which is the first benchmark that evaluates both style similarity and subject fidelity together. And they have shared a lot of benchmarking information where it has, of course, beaten other existing open source models. But I think that the model really needs a lot of improvement, and especially you see that sometime it misses the mark. In this one it hasn't done bad. I mean, I had just given it a random stuff just to create some sketches, and it has created this image out of it. So but still I believe a lot of improvements can be done in terms of face sort of replacement. It just misses the mark a bit there. And now let's apply this style here where I'm trying to change the background. That man in flower shop carefully match bouquet conveying beautiful emotions and blessing with flowers. There you go. So again you see the rest of it is quite good, but the face is not replicated properly, as you can see. But other than that, it's not bad at all. And most of the image generation and that style also is coming from Flux One Dev, which is still one of the amazing models of last year. It has tried to add styles, but I think it can improve a lot in my humble opinion. Let me know what do you think. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, as that helps a lot. Please also consider becoming a member, because that support would make this channel go a long way. Thank you for all the support. Really highly appreciate everything. Thank you.